In this vlog, we'll share with you our experience staying at Hotel Lisboa in Macau Peninsula. Is it worth it? Whether you're coming to Macau from the airport, the Taipa Ferry Terminal from Hong Kong, or the Macau Outer Ferry Terminal, you can reach Hotel Lisboa by taking the free shuttle buses of the Grand Lisboa. Since we entered Macau through the Taipa Ferry Terminal, we used the free shuttle bus of the Grand Lisboa Palace and then transferred to another shuttle bus to the Grand Lisboa in Macau Peninsula. This is our hotel, Hotel Lisboa. One side of it is still under construction, the one near Grand Lisboa. So we took the shuttle earlier from Grand Lisboa Palace to Grand Lisboa. And with your family, they're connected. Just from the lobby, you could already feel the luxurious classic feel of the hotel. The check-in process was smooth, and we were ushered to our hotel room by a helpful staff. Hello! Welcome to our room here in Hotel Lisboa, Macau. Okay, so room tour. We have 2 single beds. Actually, I booked a king-size bed, but during check-in, we asked if it's possible to give us separate beds. They agreed. Okay, so let's see. Bed is comfortable, and we have 2 pillows each. Here we have a telephone. Take a look at this. Because this hotel is really classic. Look at the details. So you can control the settings, the lights from here. So this is good, including the volume. I think there's some music. We'll check it later. Okay. And let's go here. Look. I love this table. You can actually work here, and it makes you feel like you're in Europe because this has a classic feel to it. If you want modern design, this is not for you, but for us who likes old buildings and architecture, this is nice because para kang princess. Para kang nasa Europe. Okay. Macau was a former colony of Portugal. It was only in 1999 when it was handed over back to China. Actually, mas matagal pa siya than Hong Kong, which was handed over to China in 1997 from the UK. Okay, so here, there's a hair dryer. Look at the hair dryer. Ganda ng nilagyan. Okay, and the lamp, look. Look at the details. There's a fridge here. So there's a fridge. And let's take a look. There are complimentary drinks, soft drinks, coffee, and juice. And of course, we have a sitting area here. Ayan. So, para kang nasa Europe. Dark siya, but it gives you that feel, classic feeling. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, we have complimentary coffee and tea. Look at the gas. Parang tea cup or tea mug. And we have complimentary water. This is an ice bucket. There's a safe inside. Okay, and here, let's check. Okay, so we have hangers, extra pillow, bathrobe, and slippers. Okay yung slippers niya. It's not the thin white disposable slippers. And of course, we have a laundry bag. Okay. So, let's check the bathroom. Whoa! Really nice. Look at the details. Sabi nga, the devil is in the details. Look at the tiles. It's a mosaic. mosaic tiles. And here we have the toiletries with the nice packaging. Parang Grand Lisboa talaga. Because Hotel Lisboa is also connected to the Grand Lisboa na golden. Okay, so we have tissue, towels, and this is the mirror with ring light. Of course, there are towels. And I love this bathtub. I think this is a hot tub. We'll check later. So it's a tub, hot tub with jets. Yeah, so we can have a hot pot later. Okay. By the way, our bellman, or from the reception, we were assisted by Alex, who's also our kababayan, and he gave us a complimentary shuttle bus ticket to the Macau ferry. And from there, he said we can just walk to the Fisherman's Wharf where we want to go later. So the initial review of Hotel Lisboa is it is accessible and has a classic feel to it. It's under renovation now, so they're probably modernizing some the other wing, but we'll see how it will look like. Hopefully they will maintain the classic look but with upgraded amenities. Okay, so they also have free shuttle service for the Macau Harbor Ferry Terminal, Border Gate, and I think it's a Taipan, and also at the airport.
Hotel Lisboa also has a casino called the Casino Lisboa. The hotel's interior design is a mixture of Chinese and European luxury.
Okay, so we will just check out the other areas of Hotel Lisboa. So this is on the ground floor. Yesterday we were confused whenever we go to the ground floor. It's different from the main reception. Check the hotel indoor pool and fitness room. So you can only access this if you are a hotel guest. So this is the indoor pool. It looks like a Moroccan bath. Of course. And the fitness room is upstairs. We will no longer go there because for privacy reasons. Okay, so this is the indoor pool and fitness area. But we will no longer take videos there due to privacy. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Ito yung view ng hotel namin pag gabi. So we're staying at Hotel Lisboa na kalapit lang ng Grand Lisboa. And sa other side naman niya yung Wynn Macau. Grand Lisboa up close. Ganda. Ganda ng building niya. Okay, so we went out to buy some food, and then just a few meters away, a few blocks away, we're now here at the Senado Square. Papunta na yan sa ruins of St. Paul. Okay, so we're going back to our hotel.
The checkout process was also smooth. They allowed us to leave our luggage and just return for the airport transfer since our flight was at night. By the way, the airport transfer was complimentary, but you need to register and choose the time of the transfer.
Good morning, friends! So it's our last day here in Macau. We just stayed here overnight. And this is a quick review of Hotel Lisboa where we stayed. Hotel Lisboa is located in Macau, not in Cotai Strip. So it's near Grand Lisboa, Wynn Macau, and other hotels. It's also near the Senado Square and ruins of St. Paul. So in terms of location, I rate it 5/5. You can use they also have their own shuttle. You can book their shuttle to the airport for staying guests only. And they also have a shuttle together with Grand Lisboa going to the Macau Outer Ferry Terminal. Also to in Kotay Strip, you can go to Grand Lisboa Palace through Grand Lisboa. In terms of service, the staff are well-mannered and helpful. So we appreciate their service. They're when you ask them questions, they are prompt and polite as well. The look of the hotel, it's one of the oldest buildings in Macau with Grand Lisboa. So it would look dated, but it is also classic, which we like. So if you're expecting a modern look, then this is not the hotel for you. But Hotel Lisboa will probably make you feel like you're in colonial Macau, so Portuguese Macau. Although it's dated, but the facilities are also updated. I like the details. For example, you have control of the lighting, accessible when you are already lying in bed. And also in the bathroom, for example, they have a weighing scale, which is not common even in nicer hotels. And they also have a sewing kit. So if you have an emergency, for example, your button or anything that needs to be sewn, then you can use their sewing kit. In terms of price, I think this is value for money. This is not the most expensive hotel in the area, but it's also not the cheapest. So it's a mid-range hotel. But what you get from it, like the facilities, the location, and the service, it's 5/5. So we highly recommend booking or staying at Hotel Lisboa if you are in Macau. So if you want to book Hotel Lisboa, check out the link in the description below. Hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.